it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair video. I feel like I haven't done one in a while. I probably have though, but I haven't done one in a while on this hair right here. I will be coming soon with an update, a 6-month update actually, because I got this hair in November. But yeah, I'll be doing an update in a separate video. But today's video is going to be about how I styled my hair. I actually have a similar video just like this. My first actual video on YouTube is kind of with like how I style my hair in 2 little puffs with a half wig, a synthetic wig that I had. But I didn't really have a video, you know, specifically with this kind of hair. And you know, I've been loving my Isee hair for a while, so just wanted to try the curlier style with this hair. So yeah, so today's video is just gonna be how I get my hair like this, and all cute and whatnot. And link down below will be the video on this hair, because this is my Isee hair that I got back in November, you guys. So, and it's still going in strong. It's super hype or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see how I get this style, just keep watching. Oh wait, before you keep watching, also hit that subscribe button down below. I love you guys when you support me, you know. Just hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, give me a comment. I'm tired of talking to myself, okay? I know I'm talking to y'all, but I want y'all to talk to me, okay? Just, you know, anything. What y'all did today? Is it raining there? It's summertime. How's your summer going? You know? But also another thing is, down below, another comment that I would love for you guys to tell me about is something that you want to see on my channel. Any video ideas y'all have, because I just really want to hear y'all input, you know, because can we be one? Like, can we be like we are one? What that mean with you? I don't know. Also, if you guys like this makeup, I just threw something together, but if y'all like it and y'all want to see a video, hit that like button, you know, I'll know. But anyways, let's just get on to the video. I'm gonna do a voiceover because I was watching my show, I believe, when I was doing this. I was watching my show when I was filming this. So yeah, I really feel like I need to do a video on all my shows right now, like all my favorite shows for you guys to watch, because it is summertime. So let me know down below if y'all would be interested in that, because that's all I do. All I do is watch shows. I watch movies, but I watch shows. I'm a showaholic. I'm a Netflixaholic, and a Hulu, and a Hallmark, and don't let me keep going. But anyways, let's just get on to this video. I know y'all came here to see how I did my hair, not hear me talk. So let's get on to the video. On it, gang. So first, I take my moisturizer. It's like this moisture milk from Camila Rose Naturals. I use that to just moisturize my hair for when I put it in this style. And so I comb my fingers through my hair just to make sure it's not tangled. Then I grab my Gorilla Snot. When I tell y'all, Gorilla Snot is for the soul, and it leaves my edges staying there for a while. It does a really good job. I put it on my baby hairs, and then I put it on the hair itself. Y'all, I couldn't find my toothbrush for nothing, so I had to use that little elf spoolie that I was supposed to be using for my eyebrows, but I don't use it no more because it's not the right color. So I just use the spoolie for my hair nowadays. So don't judge me. Don't come for me in the comments, okay? So now I'm just taking my brush and I'm brushing it back. The other side is self-explanatory. I mean, I already explained it, so I don't have to explain it again. So I'm gonna just let y'all listen to this good music. Ugh, it's so calming. Oh, and I put my hair in a ponytail. That's all. I'm sorry, I told y'all to listen to the music and now I'm talking again. But I just wanted to say what I didn't mention about, well, I've been wearing this style for a couple days, so that's why my hair is already parted and it's, just a part in the middle, and then I sectioned it off. The rest is sectioned back into like twists, random twists. I don't know what I was doing. I was being lazy. So it's like 2 twists on the side and then it's like 2 twists in the back. But yeah. Oh, also, you see that Gorilla Snot is a little flaky. It's because the style is old. Like I said, I've been wearing it for a couple days. So don't judge me. Don't come for me. Thank you. So now I take a scarf just so I can set my hair to make sure it's super duper slick and bomb. After that, I let it sit for like 10 minutes and then I take it off and then I'm going to plop the wig on. You'll probably see that my hair is brown and the hair is black, but it's whatever. And I also spray a little water on the hair just to rejuvenate it, to bring it back to life, honey. Back to life. Back to life. Back to reality. Oh my gosh. So after I've literally thrown the wig on, I part off like mini sections of what I'm going to take and put in my little bun, and I just take the rubber band off and I re-put the rubber band on with the weave and my hair together. If that makes sense, I hope it does. And I just tighten it by tightening it just like that, and making sure I didn't mess up my slickness, okay? But yeah. So this is where the style gets a little tricky. So I take my hair and I section it off from the weave. And I just twist it around. Like I literally twist it and then I twist it around the ponytail. So like where the holder is, like the rubber band, I just twist it around there until there's no more hair. And then I take like a little baby rubber band, you see right there, and I literally put it over the ponytail just so I can secure it. Makes sense, right? Pretty easy. Okay. Now I take the weave and I literally plop it over the hair and just wrap it around like a little bun. Literally, it can be as messy as you want. It can be as neat as you want. It's whatever floats your boat. And then I take a bobby pin. I'm so annoying. I take a bobby pin and I just secure it. So that is it. Now watch me do it to the other side. I left this part in here because I looked at my buns and I was like, no, one of them look like an apple and one of them look like a grape. This is not cute. I want 2 grapes or 2 apples. It don't matter. I just want them to look closely similar. Ooh, y'all finna roast me. Anyways, I just wanted them to look similar. So that's why I redid it. But like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. That was just my preference. So yeah. So this is the last step. I take a bobby pin and I make sure I bobby pin the sides. But I bring a little bit of the hair forward so that way it can cover up my little nappiness over there. And that way the hair would be closer. I don't know. It just looks cuter to me when it's closer to my face and it's in place. And I know it's secure, honey? And I just get a little water, spritz it, and that is about it. This is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Queen Beauty out.